X-ray in the chest.
A few moments later.
Jan got stuck.
It's all, if anything, that truck, I'm pretty sure they can help me.
Why would you even go this deep, dude?
I don't know. All out. To the rescue with the truck.
Alright. See if it works now.
It should. Unless that truck gets stuck too.
But where is he gonna take it though?
He's gonna pull it out of that hole. Yeah, there it is. Yeah.
Woo!
Is that a Tome dog?
Daily.
Appreciate you guys. It was a mess. You know what I'm saying? I got stuck like 4 times. But the fellas over there helped me get out, and I appreciate it very, very much. Now I don't know where we're going. It's about to rain. The day got messed up in a way, but you know what? It's all good. The day did not go as planned. It started raining, as you can see, which rain and beach is not a good mix. So JDM Beach Day was officially ruined by Mother Nature. it was still fun while I was there. A couple people got stuck, helped them out, made friends. A lot of people complimented my car, complimented their car. If you're watching this video, you understand the lifestyle already, so I don't have to explain it to you. It was very good. The lifestyle was there, although it was ruined by the weather. It's all good. We'll be able to keep doing this all year. We'll catch y'all next time, and do stay tuned for our 100 subscriber celebration